The temp's probably going to be in the teens. At night, it might be below. Well, we're out here today. Sam's with us. Gonna go check out a camp location. Got some big mountains in the distance. Saw a bird. Oh yeah, he flipped around. I don't think he's traveling through. I think this is like... So guys, here in the next week, our goal is to bring the hot tin out. How do you think next weekend's gonna go?
I think I'm gonna sit in the forest for a long time waiting for a fox.
Think you're gonna be warm though?
No.
It'll be fun, guys.